Next we'll study about how to solve the boolean expression, right? I'm taking a simple example, like if it is a plus ab, that would be equal to a. Okay, so we have to prove left hand side is equal to our right hand side. LHS is equal to RHS. So tell me, so like in this, can we take a as a common? What would be left in under 1 plus b? And according to the boolean, 1 plus b is how much? 1 plus b is equal to 1. So it would be a dot 1, and a dot 1 is equal to how much according to the AND law? That is a only. So we have proved that LHS is equal to RHS. Correct? Similarly, I'm taking the another one, that is a plus a bar b is equal to a plus b. Now solve it by your own and then tell me how can we solve it further.